Welcome. If you want to change the font style in your SHARP Aquos R2, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next we have to move for the display. Click on the advanced and move to the font settings. Then click on the text font and we are able to set up one of this. Okay, and as you can see, when we tap on, for example, for this one, we have to reboot our smartphone. So click for the print for the font that you want to set up and then click to apply after reboot. And right now our device is going to turn off and turn on, so just wait. Okay, and right now we can turn on our device. So input the protection password of your screen. Okay, and we are here in our smartphone, and as you can see, our font has changed. So that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!